Leaders of the campaign to repeal the gas tax are saying the title for its ballot measure is misleading, and today they're taking some legal action. KPIX 5's Jackie Ward is live in San Francisco to sort out what's going on here. Jackie.
Kenny, at this point, we don't know what the extent of that legal action means. We hope to be learning more details this morning. But here we are, just 8 days before the election, and the Yes on 6 campaign is saying that how it's worded on the measure when you go to vote is deceiving to voters. The ballot title is just throwing people off guard. They're saying that those against the measure say we need that money to fund $5 billion in transportation projects each year. Now, according to AAA, Californians pay the most amount of money for gas in the lower 48 states. We pay about $1 more per the national average, which is only $2.82. That'd be pretty nice here in the Bay Area, wouldn't it? Jim Wunderman, president of the Bay Area Council, supports the tax, not the proposition. He says that there are new safeguards in place to protect these funds.
I think we're at a kind of an emergency here. Anybody who's out on the road every day can tell you. And here's an opportunity to actually do something about it.
In our exclusive KPIX 5 survey USA poll conducted in mid-October, people were asked on Prop 6, how do you vote? 58% said yes, repeal it, 29% said no, and 13% were still undecided. So the Yes on 6 campaign will be announcing the details of this legal action later in Sacramento at 10:30. In San Francisco, Jackie Ward, KPIX 5.